Hi guys, what's up? This is Jyotsna, and as you can tell, I am super excited and I'm talking way too fast just because I want to run to this place right now. IKEA just opened their first official store of India in Hyderabad city, which is my city, which is obviously why I'm super excited and I'm super happy. It basically opens today, so that's the reason I'm excited. So a few fun facts before I start off my IKEA adventures vlog. First fun fact is obviously it opened its first official store in India and it is in Hyderabad city. Second fun fact is it is about 13 acres. If you just happen to come to IKEA to like just stroll around, you burn some calories. Third fun fact is it has about 7,500 different products. Like I was just blown away by that. 7,500 products. Like that is so crazy. Mostly it's all gonna be furniture, I guess, and things that I can't afford. Like obviously, let's just be real. But I'm super excited and I'm super pumped to see all the other stuff, like all the affordable, cute stuff like stationery, things that I'm obsessed with. So yep, it's gonna be an adventure. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me and let's just start my IKEA adventure now. So we just started, we're in the car. Mommy, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Mommy, what are you excited about? What do you want to shop in IKEA?
To take some household things
like
kitchen items
and
some interior
stuff.
Yeah.
So my mom is all ready and pumped to shop. I don't know what I'm gonna take. Oh my god, it's so big. So my hair is a freaking mess because of all the wind and there's a lot of crowd here. So let's just see how it is inside. Okay, I can hear some music. Let's see what's inside.
Whatever you feel like. Are you guys ready? Yes or no? 3, 2, 1. ओके, इतनी जोर से चिल्लाओ कि ऊपर जो भी लोग शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं वो लोग शॉपिंग छोड़ के यहाँ पे आए। So that you will get entered. Okay, one last time. 3, 2, 1. Wonderful.
So it's crazy crowd here. My mom is actually surprised looking at the people here. Stuck forever in this queue, which is so freaking huge. We have these centers inside. Mom is so tired. She wants to go home. IKEA, please send us inside. Please.
Mother-in-law ki gotta
Please send us inside, please. It's almost an hour since we've come here. My mom is like sweating.
Just 10 minutes is very hard to wait.
We finally reached the entrance. We took how long? 1 hour?
1 or 2 minutes.
1 hour, 2 minutes. Don't even know what to vlog because I'm super tired right now.